safety training seminars in Bakersfield. If you need to take a PALS class, you can take it here. The address is 2116 24th Street. It's at the Westchester Professional Plaza. There's parking around the building, and there's also a private parking lot in the back. So if you need your PALS with the American Heart Association, you can take it here at Safety Training Seminars. We're in suite number 2. Enter the code that was given to you on the keypad here. Once you're inside, there's 2 different rooms that you can select. Each room has 2 stations. You can log into any one of them. Once you log in, come over here. Hit login on the upper right. And enter that username and password that you created online so that you can start your PALS skills test for the American Heart Association.